Guys, check out this flashlight that was gifted to me. This thing is absolutely insane. I've never owned a flashlight that is this bright, that can just light up the entire space. It is crazy. And right here, you can actually dial in the beam, so you can spread it out as wide as you want, or you can just dial it in so that it's focused like a spotlight. So sick. I've never had anything like this. This thing is a massive beast right here. And the construction of it is solid, weatherproof, and it has some weight to it, so you know that it's sturdy and you know that it's built really well. As soon as you take this, actually, as soon as you get the box delivered to your doorstep and you pick it up, you go, oh, wow. Like, it is a masterpiece of a machine, and you're absolutely gonna love it. And I'll show you some of the accessories too. I'll put some B-roll up so you can see what the lights look like, but it also has these lights here on the side. So we have 2 buttons here on top, and this is gonna control our main light. So if I click that here, you can see that it is on, and it's on somewhat wide right now, but I just need to twist this. I don't wanna shine my camera, but I just need to twist this, and it's going to dial in the beam. You can kind of see it a little bit there on my hand, but I keep twisting it and it's just gonna dial it in. You see that, how focused it is? And then I twist it all the way back, and it's gonna be very wide, so you can see how my whole arm and part of my body is all lit up. Like, it's crazy bright. And then we also have the side lamps here. That's going to be our second button. So I click that second button, you can see our little side lamps. And if I click it again, it's going to be a little bit dimmer. It's really nice. So if you're taking this out camping, you have some light that's surrounding you, so you could actually see your surrounding areas, and you don't have to point the flashlight down. You can focus the flashlight at it is, or whatever it is that you want to focus it on, but there is light surrounding you, so you can see where you're walking, which is a really cool feature. And it also has a red light. So if we hold it down, we can skip over to our red light option there, and then I click it again. Oh, let's try that again. Click it again, and then we got the little flashes on there, which is super, super cool. Click it again, and it's gonna turn it off. And what makes this a great emergency flashlight, or even a camping flashlight, is the battery in here. You can actually use this battery to charge your phone or other devices that you do have. Right here, if we flip this up, and this is a nice rubber weatherproof little boot right here, we have a USB and a USB-C that you can use to charge the flashlight and also charge your phone or other devices. Let's grab some of the accessories. So, and it comes in this little carrying box too, which is a really, really nice feature. It's got a handle on it, and it also has a strap for this. So if you wanted to, sling this over your shoulder, you have a strap here that you can clip on. It's got 2 little hooks right here that you can clip it to and throw it over your shoulder. And we have our charge cord here, USB, USB-C, charge the flashlight and charge your phone. Speaking of charging the flashlight, I didn't show you guys the screen. So when we turn that on, you can see our little display screen here that is going to show our battery. And the battery life is actually pretty impressive, especially with as much light as you're getting out of this thing right here. I was really, really surprised how long it actually does last. Like, I like flashlights. I don't know what it is about flashlights. I love flashlights. I like having all different kinds of flashlights, and the brighter the better. And then check this out on the bottom. Like, that's how big of a beast this thing is. It actually has a 1/4-20 mounting screw, so you could actually mount this onto a tripod, which is crazy. I absolutely love this flashlight, guys. If you're looking for something that is like insanely bright for emergencies, to have, at your home for emergencies, or camping, or whatever, maybe you're just a flashlight geek like me and you want something that's like just crazy bright, you definitely have to have this one, so go check it out.